In this video, we'll explore the difference between Library and My Files, located as a toggle at the top of your screen. First, let's look at the Library section. This is your master storehouse, containing all banks and all documents. You can browse through these files to find the specific document or template you need. Now switch to the My Files section. This is where you'll find all the documents you've edited and saved. Think of it as your personalized workspace. When you're in the My Files section, right-clicking on any document gives you 4 options. Open to view or edit the document. Delete to remove the document permanently. Copy to create a duplicate of the file. Rename to give the file a new name. Switching between Library and My Files is quick and seamless, helping you stay organized and efficient. And that's all about Library versus My Files. Appraisal makes it simple to navigate, save, and manage your documents with ease. In the next video, we'll guide you through the simple steps to upgrade to Premium and unlock exclusive features.